Hi, I'm Johanna, and my dream job is working for the Food and Nutrition Service with the government in Washington, most likely. Um, this is my dream job because I am really interested in finding ways to increase access to healthy foods in all areas and increasing the health of people in food insecure areas through government programs and helping people better understand their health and how food correlates with that. And it can be used, I know nutrition has been used a lot recently more as a preventative health measure, which I think is a very good idea. So I think that that should be spread. The way that this class could help me in that pursuit is by helping me better understand the restrictions of food service vendors. There's a lot of things that happen on food policy sides that government can't help with as much. The Food Nutrition Service can't help with as much because food service really is a baseline, a business, and you do need to make money. So there is cheaper foods like McDonald's, but then there's also higher level foods like if you go to some gourmet restaurant, which will probably have better quality but for a higher price, which makes it less accessible to others, unlike McDonald's. My 3-step plan for this would be first to get my RDA, to become a registered dietitian nutritionist, and hopefully start with that, be able to start research in rural health, urban health, or food deserts, so areas where access to food, healthy food, is decreased. And I would really like to look at research into the different forms of malnutrition that play a part in our society today, even though we do have an abundance of food. I think that my second step in this would probably be to go back to school, maybe, or at least do night school, get a minor or a bachelor's in political science, so that I can kind of understand the political levels of this, and that'll help me get into more of a government sanctioned job. And my third step would be to start work in community nutrition at the state, local government levels. I did for a really long time want to go overseas and do work with malnutrition services there, but I really kind of have found a passion with food deserts and things like that, which is a really big problem in my hometown area. North Carolina is a very big place that is affected with food and nutrition problems because of food deserts, and that's kind of resounded with me.